What's going on, producers? This is Kobe with Sample Source back with another video. And if you don't know who I am already, I'm a platinum music producer. I produce for artists like Rod Wave, YFN Lucci, Rotimi, and many, many more. But while I've done all of that, for the most part, what I'm more proud of is that I've been able to live full time off of my music for almost 4 years now. And I share the exact strategies that I use to accomplish this on this channel. So in today's video, have you ever wondered, how can I run a successful advertisement for selling my beats and make at least a 2 to 3 to 1 return on my ad spend? Well, in today's video, what I'm going to break down is my exact ad strategy that guarantees I get a minimum 2 to 1 or 3 to 1 ROI return on my investment. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to actually share the screen on my phone, and I'm going to show you the exact ad campaign that I use to make thousands of dollars a month and how you can do it as well. So here's my producer account. And whenever I started running this advertisement, I really only had about 7,400 followers. So it's already gotten me over 1,000 followers. You can see it's up to 8,400 now. And if you scroll down, you can see the numbers on my reel. So usually I'm getting about 1,000, maybe 2,000, 3,000 plays on a reel. But if you scroll down and see the SZA type beat here in the middle of the screen, it's at almost 70,000 plays. So what we're going to do is break down how I did this. So you can see it's simply a breakdown of my beat. It's more of a cinematic style. So it's hard to create this type of advertisement, but it's very eye-catching. It took me about 3-4 hours to make, and it's made me thousands and thousands of dollars. So how do you actually make money with an advertisement like this? So we're going to go to the insights, and we're going to see how much that I've spent on ads so far. So if I scroll down here, you can see that I've spent $765.28 on ads. The daily budget is $30, and the cost per profile visit is $57. So you may be asking, just from looking at the advertisement, how people are actually buying my beats. Are they sending me a DM and asking to buy beats? And the answer to that is no. I've actually only got about 10 inquiries from artists who are wanting somebody to produce their record. And so I've sold some of them, but for the most part, all of those people are artists that have not reached out to me. So let me explain the strategy real quick, because it's very counterintuitive. And this is why most of you cannot run successful ad campaigns and literally just set money on fire. So I'd spent $2,000 before I even got these ads to work. And here's what I found. Instead of running it to a website, trying to get direct sales so that artists will send you a DM and say, hey, where can I find these beats and that type of thing. Instead of running those types of ads, what I run it for is more profile visits. So the goal is for them to follow, for them to like, for them to comment. And whenever they do something like that, I'll go and reach out to the artist and say, yo, I appreciate you showing some love on my post. Or, hey, I appreciate the follow. Just follow back. And so whenever you do something like that, what happens is you open a DM conversation. And if you're really good at selling, then what you can do is walk them through some DMs and get them onto a quick call. So the process is to go from reaching out to anybody that's a potential lead for sales. So that's with a like, comment, follow. If they've done any of those actions, I'll reach out to them. The second step is to walk them through a few DMs to qualify them and get them onto a quick phone call to develop rapport. And then at the end, you want to pitch your beats. Lastly, once you pitch your beats, what you want to do is pitch them on going onto a Zoom call with you so that you can show them your beats and they can see if they can pick some out that work for their project, their EP, their single, their album, whatever it is. And so the last step is, once they showed up financially qualified for that call, is to actually sell to them. So I've worked several sales jobs and I've sold expensive stuff. So I know how to sell to artists and offer immense value. So we're not selling $30 products. We're not selling $50 products or even $100. I recommend $250 all the way up to $1,000 and more. So I'm able to offer packages that are not ripping the artist off. They're actually offering a lot of value and makes sense for the artist to do, especially if they love making music and they're not really trying to monetize their craft yet. So once I have a really good offer to offer the artist, my ads are automatically going to work, because some of those artists are going to say yes on the Zoom call. So for the most part, my packages are around $500. So I spent $765 on ads, and I've set up around 20 calls just from that ad. I close one out of the two of those Zoom calls usually. So you can see how this is not just making me like a 2 or 3 times ROI on my money investment. Is usually making around like 8, 9, or even 10. So with that being said, that's why I went from $10 a day on ads all the way up to 30 because it was working so well. So hopefully this video really helped you out and allows you to take that first step into running ads. But what I would say is if you don't want to set a bunch of money on fire first, like I did, I spent over 10,000 on ads. Then what I want to offer you, if you've tried everything, if you tried sending DMs, if you tried BeatStars and posting consistently on YouTube, if you tried all of these things to sell beats and you keep following trend after trend after trend, and you haven't gotten past $1,000 a month consistently offer your beats, what I want to offer you today is a free 20-minute coaching session. So if you want to take advantage of that, you can speak with me one-on-one on the phone, and I will try to diagnose the number one problem in your business so that you can fix that and make more money faster. So if you want that free coaching session, all you have to do is reach out to me on Instagram at Kobe Sample Source and DM me the word mentor. So DM me the word mentor, that's at Kobe Sample Source, and then you get a free 20-minute coaching session with me. And I'm very direct. I won't sugarcoat anything. I'll tell you exactly what sucks in your business right now and the top 1 to maybe 3 things that you need to add in order to be successful with a strategy like myself. So if that sounds good, reach out with the word mentor, and I would look forward to speaking with you soon. So hopefully this video was helpful. Once again, make sure you sub to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'm going to be delivering even more value in the next video. See you guys.